Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about special right triangles. These are triangles which have properties that you can predict due to the angle measurements. And it's basically an easier way to do the Pythagorean theorem. Alright, so there's two examples of this. So I'm going to draw them. Okay. Here's the first triangle. Okay, so you have a right angle, and this is a 60 degree and a 30 degree. Alright, so this would be a unit of 1, and then your hypotenuse would be a unit of 2, and then your other leg would be, well actually we could call this just that, and then it's a square root times 3. Alright, so that is for if you have a 90, 60, 30 triangle. Now it could also be known as a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Yeah, you can also use the Pythagorean theorem on these. It's just this is a little bit easier. Alright, so, well, if you haven't noticed, if you divide 90 by 2, you get 45. And so you can have a 45, 45, 90. So 45, 45, why? 45, I'm so sorry. 90. I'm getting used to the software I'm using, I'm very sorry. I'm not used to it. Plus it's a iPhone, so small screen. Anyway, so yeah, let's draw this. So you're gonna have it look like this. So you have right angle, and then this is 45, 45. Okay? And then, so you would have a base unit of, let's just say that. And then this part would be like that. So if this was, per se, 3, that means that your hypotenuse would be 3 times the square root of 2. Alright, I'll show you some examples next. So our first example is going to be a 90, 60, 30 triangle. And so I'm just going to draw it out. $60, 30, and you can, if you can't just guess that it looks like it, because your teacher will say it's incorrect. So we're gonna find x and y. Now, the thing is, we have to know the other variable, or it's impossible. Alright? Well, we do know the other variable, and it's 4 times the square root of 3. Now, since the longer base in a 30, 60, 90 triangle is multiplied the base unit times the square root of 3, you know that x equals 4. And since y is 2 times the base unit, x in this case is the base unit, and that means that y is equal to 8. Don't even need to use a calculator. Alright, for our next triangle, it's going to be a 45, 45, 45, 90, 90 triangle. So we have normal triangle. I say normal, but yeah, okay, never mind. Not going to go into that. And these angles are roughly, well, actually, they're exactly congruent in this case. So this is 45. Since I put that they're congruent, I don't need to write the other 45. So we know the length of this, and this is 12. Let's say it's inches. Well, since we know that, oh wait, I should probably put some variables in there. There we go. Y is equal to, let's say this is Z and Y are base units, and so they are equal to each other. So this would also equal 12 inches. Now we know that the hypotenuse is the base unit times the square root of 2. So we automatically know that x equals 12 times the square root of 2. And that would be inches. Alright, I hope you understand. And if not, I'm sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day.